What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of More Seasoning. I am your host, Farnum, and before we get into today's video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, drop a comment, and my question for this video, mustard or ketchup? I know what my choice is, and it's not red. Let me go ahead and introduce my super special celebrity guest, hailing all the way from Clearwater, Florida. Roy, this is Roy. Yeah, he's
I'm so honored to be
He's
here.
full of energy today.
So honored to be here.
So honored.
Just so you know.
No, look at this one, man.
Okay.
What's wrong with you?
Oh, I'm very honored to be here.
Anyway, so what is today's dish, you guys might ask? 6 different flavor profiles on this thing, 10-15 minutes to make a bunch of them. Incredibly juicy, incredibly flavorful, and incredibly impressive. Today we are doing an Asian grilled chicken sandwich. It's bomb. Just roll the B-roll. Go ahead. All right, let's move into the ingredients. Now, this does look like a lot, but most of this is gonna go into like 1 cup, so it's really not that bad. Bear with me. So we're gonna start with mayo, sesame seed buns, tomato, bib lettuce, sriracha, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, sesame oil, red chili flakes, soy sauce, fish sauce, rice vinegar, fresh ginger, brown sugar, a lime, cilantro, and I picked this from my garden. Asian style crunchy noodles, coleslaw mix, bean sprouts, sugar, and salt and pepper. Okay, we're gonna break this up into 3 things to make this way easier. 1 is gonna be our marinade, 2 is gonna be our sriracha mayo, and 3 is gonna be our tangy coleslaw. So let's knock those out. Let's start with the sriracha mayo, because we can just put it in the fridge when we're done. If I'm making 2 sandwiches, I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons, let's do 2.5 tablespoons of mayo, and then we're gonna do a squeeze of sriracha, and then we're just gonna mix that bad boy up. And that's gonna be the topping for our bun. Now for our tangy coleslaw, you're just gonna get pre-packaged coleslaw from Publix. Boom, shake it in there. Woo, I would say about half a cup, 1/4 to half a cup of the coleslaw. Bean sprouts, these are dope. Super crunchy and they're like full of water. Sprinkle those in as you please. Just gonna add some nice crunch. Then your cilantro, go ahead and just pull those leaves off. We're not even gonna bother cutting these. Just go ahead and shred them, tear them up, make them nice and torn, sprinkle them in there. Perfect, perfect. And I just used a handful of cilantro for this. Boom, perfect. Rice vinegar, give it a good dash. That's probably 4 to 5 tablespoons of rice vinegar. And then we're gonna put some granulated sugar in here. I'm gonna say, that's 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then mix it on up. Go ahead and give it a taste. It should be a little bit sour, a little bit bitter, but then have like that dash of sweetness coming from the sugar. That's perfect. Crunchy, tangy, exactly what we're looking for. This is also gonna go in the fridge. Now this is where all these ingredients get thrown into one thing, so it really takes our ingredient list from like 20 to 11 after this. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 8 tablespoons of soy sauce. I know it seems like a lot, but this is gonna be a marinade, and we're also gonna use part of this to baste our chicken. I lost count, but that looks about right. 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. A teaspoon of sesame oil. This stuff is potent. It will poke through all of those other flavors. So you're gonna wanna just do about a teaspoon. Beautiful. Also, a teaspoon of fish sauce. Good. Red chili flake. Shaken. If you like heat, the more the merrier, in my opinion. Perfect. Then we're gonna take 1 lime, put it in there, and squeeze. And lastly, your ginger. So you're just gonna grab like a little grater or a microplane and just grate some ginger in there. A little bit more. Boom. And just go ahead and dump that in there. And now we whisk. So you're just gonna whisk until this is well incorporated. Make sure that brown sugar at the bottom dissolves into this. All right, let me give it a taste. That shit is gas. All right, so once you got your sauce ready, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your chicken thighs, put them in a Ziploc bag, dump half of this in there, and you get this. Let it marinate. If you don't have time to do this, just take this and we're gonna go straight to the grill. You don't have to marinate. I made this earlier without marinating it and it was still incredible, but obviously you're gonna get more flavor if you do this. So what we're gonna do at this point, we're gonna butter our sesame buns. We're gonna take our marinated chicken or your regular chicken, and we're gonna take our sauce and head to the grill, do some basting while it cooks, and then we'll get back in here, plate it, and do the taste test out with my boy, the infamous, where are you? We're waiting. Come on camera. Hello, where is he? Earth 2 Leroy. That's right. If anybody doesn't know, this is my best friend. So listen, all my boys that are watching this, it's no shade, y'all my best friends too. But you know, me and Leroy, we were in a rap group back in the 90s.
Now that's hilarious, serious, I'm the scariest. Your boy be blowing fire.
So let's go to the grill, man. Come on. All right, so here we are. We're on the grill. It's our first voiceover on More Seasoning, so you guys can't see all the funny faces I'm making right now. But basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our grill on high. And then we're gonna take our marinated chicken, or if you didn't have time to marinate it, your plain chicken, throw some salt and pepper on that puppy, put it on the grill. And as we let it cook, we're gonna continually baste it with our marinade. So we're just gonna keep basting every 20 to 30 seconds. At about the 3-minute mark, when your chicken is thoroughly cooked on one side, we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna continue to baste that chicken with the marinade. Baste and baste and baste. You're gonna continue to flip for another 2 to 3 minutes. Baste, baste, baste. As your chicken is reaching 8 to 10 minutes, now we're gonna throw our buttered buns on here. So you're just gonna go butter side down on the grill and you're just gonna let those char. You're gonna let them get nice and crispy around the edge and it's gonna give you that nice toasty bun that everybody loves. So once your chicken is done, your buns are toasted, we're gonna throw it on a plate, take it inside, put the sandwich together and get to taste testing. Ladies and gentlemen, without further hesitation, let's go ahead and introduce our celebrity taste tester, Mr. Leroy. Come on, man, get it fine, let's go. All right, so real talk. You've smelled this, you've seen the process. Is it as hard as it looks?
Hell no.
Okay.
First, I'm intimidated with cooking, and I feel like this is something I would do.
All right, bro. So on 3, I'm gonna have you bite into this thing and then just describe exactly what you taste. You be completely honest with them, don't hold back. 3, 2, 1. Oh my fucking God. Okay. Oh my God, bro.
What's wrong?
That's the best thing I've ever made. Hands down.
I can't even.
It's a fucking first.
Nah, I can't.
It's the best.
I can't even put it into words. Okay.
Holy shit. Bro. Jared, come here, bro. Tell him, bro. Tell him.
You gotta try this, bro.
Me,
Bro.
feed me.
Ladies and gentlemen, our other celebrity taste tester for the evening, who had just showed up recently.
Absolutely.
My dog, freshly engaged, Jared.
Oh, stop.
Bro, that's you. Take a bite, get that chicken.
Last meal
Get
of
all
eating
that
before
goodness.
that gown. Oh, damn.
Let the camera know, bro. Yo, that's bro.
I think I just got sauce in my eye. That's how good it is.
Bro, that's
And I
amazing.
legit just ate a ton of sushi.
See you later. Thank you, sir.
No.
Okay, no, but seriously, guys. So, like, first impression when you bite this, you get that creaminess from that sriracha mayo. Oh my. Oh my God! All my life, I'm not kidding.
Give
This
me
is
some of yours, bro. I want more of that one.
Try that, bro.
Alright.
This is the best thing I've ever made, hands down. And what's crazy is I came up with this whole thing last night, and it took me like 3 hours to figure this out because I couldn't figure out how to make the sauce. Yeah. Anthony, you want to try it?
Oh, sweet God.
Dude, I'm telling you, that is, bro, I'm shook. Listen, I know I say this every time, but this is the best thing I've ever made. This is fucking incredible.
I love that it's so like messy.
It's
like a dirty like.
Oh, it's so good, dude.
Bro, from the chicken to the red to the light. I mean, the combination of everything, bro. The coleslaw, bro. First of all, I don't even like coleslaw. This is fire,
Yo, it's
bro.
gas, dude. And these bean sprouts give such like a look.
It's like a nice crunch to it, bro.
You got
I don't
that.
like,
You
I
got
don't like
noodles,
that, bro.
It's so good.
I don't like coleslaw. I don't like tomatoes, bro. But the whole combination of everything, it's fire.
Yo, I appreciate you. Take that plate. Get out of here. That's all you. Guys, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below. Drop some suggestions down there because we're going to be turning up the content on this channel. I appreciate you guys. My name is Farnum. I love y'all. We're going to see you next time. That was a bad wink. Hi, baby.
Hey, I just heard you say I love y'all, and I don't appreciate that.
Whoa.
You love me.
Oh!
I got the coleslaw. Tomatoes are the devil.
Easy. Easy money. How you feel?
Farnum, bro.
That shit is f***ing gas, right?
You the king, nigga. You the king, bro.